purchase order processing tweak called POP-PURCH Distributions by line re-enables functionality in Dynamics GP that had been available up until GP version 10 Service Pack 2. And this functionality applied to creating purchase orders for non-inventory items. Previously, you had been able to split out the distributions so that you could specify different accounts for the different non-inventory purchases. After that service pack, it prevented editing the purchases distributions so that with non-inventory items, everything now hits a single default non-inventory purchases account. So we'll take a look at how this functions in purchase order processing in just a second. There's a setup option with this tweak that determines how the reference field should be filled in the purchasing distributions window. So in this case, we're going to fill it with the item description because the item description contains a description of the service that we are purchasing. Here's our purchase order. We're purchasing a cleaning service, and we have upstairs cleaning and storage cleaning. And we'll receive this purchase order. So here's our PO for the cleaning services. Now by default, GP still does what it always does. It creates one single distribution account, and if you try to add another purchases account in here, it's going to complain that that's not allowed. With this tweak enabled, it adds this menu option up here, distributions by line item. And when you select that, it recalculates the distributions so that there's now one distribution per line on the purchase order, and the distribution reference is populated with the item description from the purchase order.